Good morning. I just woke up. So, nilabas ko yung mga babies ko. Ayan sila. Ayan si Ace going to the apple tree. And there is Lucky. Let's go to the apple tree. Ayaw nauna na si Ace. Let's go to the apple tree. So much fruit. Come here, Lucky. Baby, mommy. Let's go to the apple tree. Ayan. Ang bait ng baby Lucky ko. There's still, look at Ace is harvesting. He's so cute, guys. Look, look. It's still all putot, but he loves to pick the apple. See? He's very cute. Oh, look, look. Ah, he's picking up apples. See? He knows. See? Ala, mga putot pa yan. He loves apples so much. Lucky trying to find one. Lucky doesn't pick from the tree, but Ace are. Oh, ang cute ng mga babies ko. Yan, ang cute ng baby ko. The 2 apple trees, fruit, full of putot, guys. Awan, si Ace nag-enjoy. Take a look at the tree. So much fruit, guys. See? Ang dami niya. Thank God. Marami kaming frutas na i-harvest. Si A sobrang nag-enjoy talaga. Ubusin niya yun kasi he can reach it. Lucky, what can I give you, Lucky? Here, let's give this one to Lucky. Mga putot pa siya, guys. Hindi pa siya. Mahilig ang mga babies ko ng fruits. Ace! No, Ace! That's Lucky. Here. Eat it. Take it. Hindi kasi siya, he cannot chew hard kasi. Yeah, Ace gonna take that. He's still doing it. See? He harvest mga putot yan, guys. Oh, diba? He loves fruit. Oo. Oh, ayan. Mga putot yung kinuha niya. Mahilig siya, guys. Lucky, I'll give you already, Lucky, ha? Tingnan nyo, guys. Ang daming bunga. Super. Ay, shh. Quiet. Ganyan kabait yung baby ko. Oh, yan. Super daming bunga, guys. Gravity. Mga putots pa siya. O, diba? Sobrang dami. First 3 yan siya. Yung isa dito sa likod ko mamaya. Di pa siya tapos, guys. Ayan, nag-harvest siya ng mga putot.